Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies, now that your baby is growing, I'm sure you're thinking what all you can feed your baby. The baby is also showing a lot of interest in food, but you have to give which is easily digestible and very easy to eat as well. Today, I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you 10 vegetarian Indian foods that are nutritious and appropriate for your 1-year-old. To start with, Kichdi. This is a traditional Indian dish made with rice, lentils, and a few vegetables. It is easy to digest and provides a good source of protein, carbohydrates, and fiber, and it is a complete meal by itself. Now you can have a variation in this called the vegetable khichdi. The ingredients remain the same, rice and dal, but then you add a lot of vegetables like peas, carrots, green peas, and whatever is available in your area and seasonal wise. So your baby will actually enjoy different flavors with different vegetables. Now, the baby will not eat khichdi every day, so you have to give it some variety. Dal is another good option. This is a lentil soup that is often served with rice or chapati. It is high in protein and a good source of iron and other nutrients. Something very good and one of my favorite, and I fed it to my children also, it is idli. These are steamed rice cakes that are made from fermented rice and lentil batter. They are soft, easy to digest, and a good source of carbohydrates. Now, next to idli, one will obviously think of dosa. These are thin, crispy pancakes made from fermented rice and lentil batter. They are good source of carbohydrates and proteins. And all the fermented food has an added advantage of vitamin B12. So your child will get this extra benefit by having idlis and dosas. Next in my list, one of my favorite is Upma. It is a porridge made from semolina and vegetables. It is very easy to cook, easy to digest, and provides a good source of carbohydrates and fiber. We can't miss out on vegetables. So how do you give these vegetables? Pureed vegetables such as pumpkin, sweet potato, and carrot are easy to digest and provide a good source of vitamins and minerals. Next on the list, fruits. Fruits can also be pureed like apple, pear, mango are easy to digest and provide a good source of minerals and vitamins. Now children are having vegetables, children are having fruits, but they need something more filling. And Besan ka Cheela is one of those good options. It is made from chickpea flour and vegetables. We can grate carrots and add in that. This is also a very good source of protein and fiber. And believe me, kids really love it. Remember to introduce new foods one at a time, waiting for a few days, generally at least 3 days between each new food to watch for any signs of an allergic reaction. Be sure to consult your pediatrician before introducing any new food to your baby which might cause allergy. So enjoy cooking and feeding your baby because your baby is also waiting for new flavors every day. I gave you a number of recipes for your baby. Now see where you belong to. I am basically an Indian. My father was an army officer, so I've traveled in so many states and have developed a taste for so many dishes. So likewise, even you can try dishes of different states. It will improve your culinary skills and the baby will also develop taste for so many kinds of food. And India is a country with so many varieties of food. So try everything, change your taste buds and your baby's taste buds too. So enjoy cooking and happy eating with the baby. Thank you and namaste.